Hey everyone, how is it going? So, I have a predicament where I have this microphone, which was kindly donated to me by Zeke. If you've not seen Zeke Sec Labs, check him out. He's insanely good. Love the guy. But the way my setup is and what I've got, I don't have a tripod that's the right height. It's either too big, too small, and as you can see from this mic, if you move it around, it's a directional mic, so I need to have it where I want it. So what I'm going to do, and with my recent Tinkercad tinkering, I'm just going to make an upstand. I want to make a tube that's got an upstand, then use my hot threaded inserts to make my own stand. So I thought I was going to do that, and I thought, hey, why not make a video out of it? Let's see, what's the worst that could happen? Let's go. So here we are in Tinkercad, and what I want to do is essentially make a solid tube that is 100 mil by, I could just, let's do 100 mil, and then it has to be by 30. Oh, let's redo that. By 30. So that's simple. And then I have brass inserts that I want to put into this to create a thread. So rather than just relying on the plastic. And the brass inserts are, how wide are they? Those are 8 mil. So if I give a 5 mil hole, they'll sit in there nicely. Yeah, we reckon we're going to go with that. Sorry for that. So, and that's what I want, because then on the top I need to create a thread as well. So on that center spot, I essentially want to then add a, how big do I want that to be? Sorry, I'm just have to deconstruct something mid. I want to emulate the thread that this microphone is on, so I need to strip that off. So sorry if that's been affected. I want to emulate this, so that is 10 mil by, yeah, that's not 5. So I want 5 with a thread by 10 mil. 5 with a thread by 10 mil. I'm sure there's threads in this as well. Search shapes library. Shape generator. Can I generate a thread with that? That'd be good, wouldn't it? If we get a bolt, we can. That's what we want. I mean, can we manipulate to the size that we want it as well? That would be really good, wouldn't it? And then, because what I want is essentially that part. So let's bring that up to level. Let's put that there, make that that. Just check. Don't know why I'm so far away from it. So, boom, do that. There we go. Then we've got just our thread, and that is 5mm by 17. I can chop the excess off later or drop it down. Oh, I can drop that down 7mm. So now we can then take that. That's brilliant. Now that's already the right. That's exactly where we want it. So bring that up there. And then we can drop that into there. That's centre, isn't it? You take depending on how you look at it, and then so where's a measure? Let's get a measure on there. I want to measure that. Where's a measure? I don't know how you measure this. Can you measure this? Use the send to bolt. There we go. Ruler. That's 17. What's that? 93. 7. So that's looking at 10. That's the maths works out. Cool. That's good. That's how you do that. Get rid of you. Yeah, that doesn't. That'll do. And then in the bottom there, I want to add this. So, and what would we say? We said 5mm, didn't we? So, I want this to be 5 by 5, and that can be the height of that. Let's make that no more than 8 now. Turn that into a void. That's what it is to me anyway, void. We're taking the middle, isn't it? There. Cool. So now, if I get this into the right position, click on this, do this. We have ourselves a brass insert hole. We have ourselves a thread. We're good to go. So let's export that to STL. Export that, and it's called tripwire case, which that's not what I want it to be called. Download. God, no matter. And then I will drop this into my STL. Let's turn the printer on. Let's get this printing. Be nice, won't it? Happy days. Result. So this is what we have got. A 100mm little tube, 30mm wide. There is a nice little hole in the butt there for a brass insert to go in to fit the M5 thread, and then I've done an M5 thread at the top for me to secure the microphone stand too. So yeah, simple but effective. I urge anybody who has a 3D printer and always wanted to make their own stuff. Obviously, I went on printables and cults and things and and didn't have exactly what I wanted, so I made this to the size and spec very simply that I wanted with Tinker. So yeah, really enjoying it, and it just feels nice to make your own stuff. So we have got our tube here, ready and raring to go. We have got our insert, and that is getting hot now. And we have, which way around I'm going to put that, and then we have our brass insert here. So I've put my brass tip on there. Let's get this on there, and then all it is a matter of pushing one into the other once it's warmed up enough. I feel like the hole isn't big enough now. I'm hoping there's enough bite in there for it to grab on. And there we go. So that's in. Let that cool. Turn that off. Put that in there, and that's it. Brass insert in. So hopefully there's enough smudge in there for it to now fit in there. And then that thread, I might have to make a plastic thread. I don't think, yeah, it's just a bit too small. So I'll stick that on there, and I will 3D print a plastic thread to be able to go on there. But essentially that will then go into there like so, and that will form part of the, yeah. So that's worked well so far. Happy days.